Hello everyone. Let's dive into the UGEE UT3, a standalone drawing tablet that's been making waves. This isn't just another tablet. It's a portable digital art studio. The first thing you notice is the stunning 14.25-inch display. The 2400 by 1600 resolution makes everything look crisp and vibrant, and the nanomatte coating truly simulates the feel of drawing on paper. It provides a tactile experience that many digital artists crave. The color accuracy is also impressive, boasting over 72% NTSC color gamut and 16.7 million colors. This ensures that your creations look exactly as you intended. Portability is a key feature. At just 0.274 inches thick and weighing around 1.68 pounds, the UGEE UT3 is incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're sketching on your commute or creating art in a coffee shop, this tablet is designed for on-the-go creativity. A unique feature is the U key, which allows you to switch between 3 color modes: True Color, Color Ink, and Ink. This is incredibly useful for different tasks. True Color is perfect for vibrant artwork. Color Ink is great for note-taking, and Ink mode is ideal for reading and reducing eye strain. Speaking of eye strain, UGEE has put a lot of emphasis on eye protection. The anti-glare and nanomatte coating not only enhance the drawing experience, but also reduce harmful blue light by approximately 61%. It's also TV Rhineland certified for eye protection, which is a significant plus for those long drawing sessions. Under the hood, the UGEE UT3 is powered by a high-performance 6nm octa-core processor and runs on the latest Android 14 operating system. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and a responsive user experience. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM, there's plenty of memory for your apps, files, and artwork. Battery life is also a strong point. The built-in 10,000 mAh battery supports 27W fast charging, providing long-lasting power and quick recharge capabilities. You can create for hours without worrying about running out of juice. The UGEE UT3 also features customized PaintPal pre-installed. The pressure sensitivity of 4096 levels provides a natural and responsive drawing experience, allowing for nuanced strokes and detailed artwork. Overall, the UGEE UT3 is a well-rounded standalone drawing tablet that offers a blend of performance, portability, and eye protection. It's a great option for artists who want a versatile device for creating on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.